NASA data found a tiny object racing beyond our solar system. It is not a spacecraft, and it is not an alien signal. It appears to be a faint red star-like object, about 408 light-years away, moving through the Milky Way at nearly 1 million miles per hour. Fast enough that it may not belong to our galaxy for much longer. The object is called CWISE J12.4909. Most people shorten it to CWISE J1249. It was first noticed in images from NASA's WISE mission, an infrared survey that mapped the sky by looking for heat instead of visible light. In those images, citizen scientists working with the Backyard Worlds project saw something small that did not stay still. That motion mattered. CWISE J1249 shifts by almost 1 arcsecond per year. That sounds tiny, because from Earth, the galaxy is almost impossibly far away. But when astronomers measured its distance and velocity, the small drift became something enormous. A low-mass object moving through the galaxy at about 456 kilometers per second. The Keck Observatory observations indicated that this object is metal-poor, suggesting it originated from a material with fewer heavy elements. This suggests it may be an old object, possibly from an early population of the Milky Way. It might be a small star. It may be a brown dwarf, a body not quite massive enough to keep hydrogen fusion burning like a true star. The speed is not the whole mystery. The real question is what could have thrown something this small so violently through space. A binary system may have a supernova explosion where a dying white dwarf flung its companion away. A close encounter with a black hole may occur within a dense star cluster. Astronomers cannot yet determine which story is true. That uncertainty is the honest part. Unknown is not proof of aliens. The evidence points to a natural object, ancient and faint, carrying clues about a violent past we cannot see directly. If its speed is high enough, CWISE J1249 may eventually leave the Milky Way completely. A tiny red point found in old NASA data, drifting from the galaxy that made it into the dark between galaxies.